Welcome back, my friends. Today I want to share how we redesigned the vintage wedding gown of her mother for her own wedding gown. We wanted to keep as much as possible from the original dress. The only thing we need to do is just to adjust the backside to make it fit, to remove the sleeves, and everything else we're gonna keep it as much as we can. We will keep the details from the backside, and also we will keep the detail which is on the front. You can see she have a very beautiful detail with pearls, so this part we just gonna move a little bit more down. And then I just want to show all the details because vintage dresses are so beautiful. So we wanted to give a new life, a new moment to this dress instead of the dresses to go to the field. Initially, we wanted to create these sleeves, but at the end, we decided to do no sleeves because it's July, it's gonna be hot. So, everything else, we're gonna keep it. We're adding the corset back and leave as much as possible as original as the dress. First thing, what I start is removing the sleeves. I use the seam ripper and then I use the razor blade. If you don't have experience with razor blade, do not use it, please. Since we're redesigning the back side of the dress, I will need some laces. So we're gonna use one sleeve and I will remove the original lace, and that lace we're gonna use it for the back side. I will also start removing the lace which is up in the front and all beaded, and these details we're gonna move a little bit more down. Since we're changing the style of the dress, I'm gonna sew them as you see right here in the front so we can keep all the beading and all the details. And then from the mesh that we have, I also add all this lace right here to create a thick strap that will continue to the back side. Also from the sleeves, I will use these loops, some laces, and also the buttons to create the backside loop and buttons. Since we already have them, we can just use those. And one detail, I'm gonna just cut it also to add that to the backside. So after the details are ready, I am ready to redesign the upper part of the backside, and I'm just gonna adding one by one and symmetrical to make sure they look exactly like one side and other side. I will also add the loops and buttons so she will be able to button it in the back side. After everything is pinned, I will sew everything by hand to make sure it's secure, and as you see, this is our loops and buttons and all the laces. After the back is done, I'm just adding these beautiful details which she's gonna be able to remove it. At our fitting, we just need to double check the fit, and almost everything was perfect. So all we need is to add the bow and all set. I hope this small story will inspire you and others. Thank you so much for choosing AllbyOly Design, and thanks for watching.